Hello friends, in today's video we will know about relative, absolute and mixed references, or in simple words applying dollar to freeze a cell reference. Let's move to Excel. Here you can see a simple data whereby you have got products, we have got rate and units sold, January units sold. So in order to get the total sales you will simply do a multiplication, C multiply by D and drag it. Now we will see another case whereby you have product, you have got January unit and you need to get the total sales, but here the difference is you have got rate which is freezed in one of the cells. So for all the product, rate remains same. Let us calculate the total sales. Once we do a simple multiplication and formula dragging, you can see you're not getting the correct result because while dragging the cell, this the second portion got slipped over from B11 to B12. In the same way here to B13. To address this problem, we need to freeze the cell B11. For doing so, you need to do F2 or double click here and then add a dollar here in front of B, before B, then before 11, press enter and drag it. So this here you have freezed the cell of B11 and this is called absolute reference. You are giving in the formula you are freezing the reference which doesn't changes with the change in the formula while dragging the formula. So now let's discuss the concept about this. You can see in B11 we have got B and 11. B is your column, 11 is your row. So intersection between these two is B11, which is called as cell address also. So for this purpose, you need to freeze both of them. I mean, you need to freeze B also. You need to freeze 11 also. That's the reason you're putting $2 here. So this is called absolute very reference, like I told you. So there may be cases where you need to apply dollars or add dollars only to B or only to 11 or only to row or only to column. That situation is called mixed reference. By the way, here is a tip that for putting dollars you need not go and type in the keyboard. You can simply do B multiply by C 11 and then you can press F4. F4 function F4 function 4. You get dollars in front of both row and column. The moment you press F4 for the second time, you can see the dollar is gone from B, but it is there for the 11. The moment you press third time, it will be there for B, but not for 11. The moment you press fourth time, you will be back to square. For our purposes, we will just press once and drag it. This is a keyboard shortcut. Now let's come back to mixed reference. We will move to the next sheet. Here you can see for each product you have got 3 months sale, January, February, March, and you have got one rate here. So let us put a formula to get the sale value. Here as because you have just one rate here, you will press F4 and drag the formula. You get proper result for everything, you can check. However, there may be case that for each month the sale price will change. In that case, your simple freezing only B4 will not work because for other months, say February, you need to have reference from C11 rather than B11. So for doing so, I will delete this. For doing so, you need to freeze only only 11 in this. So you will put a dollar sign in front of 11 and will not put in front of B because B need to be a variable. It should move along with the formula. However, 11 need to be fixed. So you do this and drag the formula like this, you get the result. I will show you what will happen even if you freeze just instead of freezing 11, you freeze this way, you will not get proper result. See, formula slipped. So depending upon the situation, you need to apply dollars or press F4 the number of time it is required. In today's video, this much only. Please do provide comments to me wherever you have confusion. Thank you for watching this.